Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto platform. Markets opened almost flat and Nifty just moved slightly higher in the first 15-minute candle. First 15-minute candle means from 9:15 to 9:30. Then at what level Nifty closed at 9:30, at the same level at 3:30 it closed. So which means that it was totally, absolutely flat from 9:30 to 3:30. But in between, of course, there was some volatility and Nifty went higher, then came down about 80-90 point lower, then again went up, and that is expected. But today, considering the Fin Nifty expiry, the markets were not really that volatile, and I would say Nifty is just a range bound. And look at the Nifty future from 18,700 and maybe plus or minus 50 point. So that was the range today. And today another significant thing is that the India VIX fell. Yesterday in a higher moving market, the VIX was higher, but today that VIX has come down. So that has benefited a lot of people who are option sellers. I think option premiums have come down significantly today. Bank Nifty moved more than 200 points. No, that is because most of the Bank Nifty short straddle people I know, they put maximum 100 rupees as a stop loss. Most of the people put anywhere from 60 to 80 rupees. So by making more than 200 point move, so they hit the stop loss of those people. Bank Nifty, I think the intraday play is becoming a bit difficult, but nowadays most of the people play intraday in Fin Nifty rather than trading in Bank Nifty. Today, who is the best performer is the ITC. It was unimaginable. Yesterday, I mentioned that today ITC is turning X dividend. I think the dividend was around 9 rupees, 9 rupee 50 paise. I thought proportionally the share price will come down, but surprisingly, today it closed in green. That means the people who bought yesterday and today the price is the same, plus they get about 9 rupees 50 paise as the dividend. I don't know exact the dividend, but around 9 to 10 rupees. And today Nifty closed 35 points higher, but out of these 35 points, more than 20 points has come only from ITC. And I always say, certain stocks will be hugely underperforming for many years, but in 1 or 2 years, and they will do so much of outperformance to compensate all the underperformance of the last many years. If you look at Reliance Industries, from 2008 to 2017, for almost 10 years, it has given 0 return, but next 2 years, it has given 5 times the return. And same thing ITC, which was a huge underperformer for so many years, the last 1 year or 2 years, it has shot up like anything, and now it's still moving higher. Other than that, there's nothing much to talk about stock specific. Most of the stocks, like some plus, some minus, So it was just a consolidation. I'm shooting this video much earlier than usual as I need to go out, and therefore I don't have the FII DII data, but looking at the strong recovery of nearly 100 point in Nifty and nearly 200 point in Bank Nifty, it looks like institutions should be the buyers. In the afternoon, European markets opened firmly in green, so that also helped. Right now, US futures are also doing really very well. Looking at the open interest, yesterday also I told you, and today also it is the same thing. Looking at the open interest, 18,600 put option added huge open interest, extraordinary. So therefore, 18,600 should be a good support. Of course, people who have sold 18,600 put option would have collected some 50-60 rupees premium. So if you take that premium into account, so the real support may be 18,500 to 18,550. And there is hardly any call selling. I tell people, don't sell options in the current series. Always sell options in the next series. Why? The current series, there will be a gamma effect. Markets move violently, will tend to lose. So, many of my followers or many of my friends, they always sell options in the next month, but they told me that absolutely there is no buyer beyond 19,000. So, this is the first time I observe there are no buyers or no sellers. The activity was too little and beyond 19,000, which is just 300, 400 point away. Usually 1000 point, 1500 point away also, there used to be a lot of liquidity. So probably the buyers are thinking, as and when we are approaching to all-time high, so there may be some selling. So that's why they are not interested in buying the options. Anyway, so my view in the beginning of this month is that, first trading session closed around 18,500, and then markets are likely to trade between 18,500 and 19,000 for the rest of the month. But as I say, there are lots and lots of events. We have not even just started. And today is the 30th of May. Next few days only, our PMI manufacturing data, PMI services data, and then US jobs data. So there are too many, like monthly auto sales data. So everything will be coming. So markets are going to be dynamic in the month of June. And I still hope that, it will be between 18,500 and 19,000 for the time being. So things can change. So as things change, so we will change. And as I always say, when the people ask me, sir, are you a bull or bear? I used to say, I'm a chameleon. So, I change my color every time as the market changes its color. For the time being, I would say monthly strong support is around 18,000, resistance is around 19,000. So this is the view. So rest of the things we will see tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.